Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon unboxing, and as you can see, Amazon didn't send me a proper box this time. So just before we get into it, I want to tell you, you have to be really careful now when you order from Amazon. In very tiny print after you put in your order, it says, do you want this shipped in a box that doesn't show what it is? And you have to check yes, or they just send it as is, which I do not like. So anyway, let's turn this over. I'm super excited, you guys. This is DIY Bling Bling. And here it says, it looks like Christmas keychain. So I think it's supposed to say Christmas keychains, and it's by Gem. What this is a Christmas advent calendar for diamond paintings, and it says on the website on Amazon.ca, it is a 24-piece Christmas diamond painting kit, 24 days of Christmas advent calendar, Christmas countdown, calendar DIY, pennant for kids and adults, and it just looks really super cute. So I'm really excited about this. I wish they would have sent this in a proper box, because it arrived with number 17 pushed in just from the delivery guy, I guess. So, but it's not all the way pushed in, but this definitely should have been put in like, at least like a padded envelope or something. This is crazy. So yeah, this is the first time I've ever received something like this. I don't appreciate that, especially since this wasn't cheap. You guys, this was $28.99 Canadian when I bought it. And right now, today, as I'm recording, it's $30.99. And it's by the Woo Leg store on Amazon.ca. Now, that's here in Canada. I just, on a whim, before I started recording, checked Amazon.com, and you won't believe the price for the exact same kit on Amazon.com. You guys, it's only $9.99 there. $30 in Canada, $10 in America. 1 minute. Let's go to Alexa. Alexa, how much is $10 American in Canadian money?
10 US dollars is about 13 Canadian dollars and 81 cents.
So that's $13 Canadian. That's what $10 is. $13.81. And they're charging $30.99 today for the same thing that should be $13.99. That is not okay with me. Also, the American Amazon has so much more stuff, but I can't get Amazon Prime in America. I mean, I can, but it doesn't count because I won't get free shipping from the American website. I can only get it from the Canadian website, so well, maybe that's a good thing. I have less temptation because there's so many fewer items to choose from. But I'm still excited about this, and if I wouldn't have seen that it was $10, on the other site, I'd be very happy with this. Okay guys, so I'm just going to do the unboxing portion here, and we will be doing the opening of each one of these 24 keychains together during Advent, and I will also be completing them if I can, but that's the plan anyway. So I hope you liked this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe, all of those good things, and most importantly of all, take care and stay safe. I'm really looking forward to doing this with you guys. I hope you are too. All right, take care. Bye, guys. Happy crafting.